Hi students, today we will discuss about homogeneous differential equations. Homogeneous differential equations. Homogeneous differential equation. Here, general form of the first order, first degree differential equation, we know that already. That is dy by dx plus f of x comma y equal to 0. In the given equation, f of x comma y is homogeneous equation or homogeneous function. Then we can say given equation is homogeneous differential equation. For example, given equation is dy by dx plus 2xy equal to 0, for example, by x square plus y square. This is the given equation. This is the given equation. Now, here we can observe in numerator we have only one term, in denominator we have only two terms. We can observe every term of the sum of the powers. For example, here, what is the degree of the x in this numerator? 1, and the degree of the y is also 1. Total degree of this numerator is, each term is 2. And also we can observe in denominator, degree of the x is equal to 2, and this term is total degree of the y is equal, x is equal, this term is 2. Again we can similarly we can say that degree of the y is also 2. That means we can say every term of the denominator is also 2. So we can say given equation is homogeneous differential equation. Now if given equation is homogeneous differential equation, here we have one procedure, that is procedure every homogeneous differential equation solution by the following method. The first method, first we can take y is equal to vx. Y is equal to vx in every problem. If give, for example, I am explaining through example. I am explaining through example. Problem. Solve x square minus 2xy square into dx equal to x cube minus 3x square y dy. This is the question. Now solution. Here, given equation is x square y minus 2xy square dx equal to x cube minus 3x square y into dy. That implies here this x cube minus 3x square y bring from RHS to LHS, and this dx bring from LHS to RHS. Then we get x square y minus 2xy square divided by x cube minus 3x square y equal to dy. Before that we can observe here we have this term, coefficient of dx. How many terms of coefficient here? We have two terms in coefficient of dx. Here first term, what is the degree of x here? 2. And what is the degree of 1 here? Also 1. Total degree of this term is 3. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Now observe, degree of the x is equal to 1, degree of the y is equal to 2. Total this term of the degree is 3. That means coefficient of dx, every term of the coefficient of dx has a same degree, and here also same. We can observe coefficient of the dy. How many terms of the coefficient of dy here? We have two terms. First term is x cube, that means degree of the x is equal to 3. Here also degree of the x is equal to 2, degree of the y is equal to 1. Here also 3. That means we can observe here every term of the degree is same. That's why we can say given equation is homogeneous differential equation. Now solve by this procedure. Here we can write dy by dx equal to x square y minus 2xy square divided by x cube minus 3x square y. Here we can, if given equation is, we are carefully we can observe, if given equation is homogeneous differential equation, then we can take we can observe assumption y equal to vx in every problem. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి తెలుగులో చెప్తున్నా, హోమోజీనియస్ ఈక్వేషన్ అయింది అంటే ప్రతి క్వశ్చన్కు y is equal to vx అనుకోవాలి. ఆఫ్టర్ డెరివేటింగ్ y is equal to vx, that means here dy by dx equal to, this is a u into v method, v plus x into dv by dx from given equation. That implies here dy by dx means we got here, we can write v plus x dv by dx equal to x square. Y means we can write here vx minus 2 into x as it is. Y square means vx whole square divided by x cube means same as it is, x cube minus 3x square. Y means vx. Now that implies v plus x dv by dx equal to, here x square into x v into x cube minus 2x into x square v square means 2x cube into v square divided by x cube minus 3x cube into v. That implies v plus x dv by dx equal to x cube is common. What is the remaining value in numerator? V minus 2v square divided by, here also same, x cube is x cube common. What is the remaining value? 1 minus 3v. X cube cancel. Now this v bring from LHS to RHS, then we get x dv by dx equal to v minus 2v square divided by 1 minus 3v minus v. That implies LCM is 1 minus 3v. V minus 2v square minus v into 1 means minus v, minus 2 minus plus v into 3v means 3v square plus 3v square. Here minus v plus v get cancelled. Now we get x dv by dx equal to, we have 3v square minus v square means v square divided by 1 minus 3v. Now this v square by 1 minus 3 bring from RHS to LHS, and this x by dx bring from LHS to RHS. Then we get 1 minus 3v divided by v square into dv equal to 1 by x into dx. Now we can apply 1 by v square minus 3v by v square partial fractions into dv equal to 1 by x dx. According to partial fraction 1 by v square, 3v by v square. Here now integrating on both sides. Integration of 1 by v square minus this v cancel, 3 by v into dv equal to 1 by x, integration of 1 by x dx plus log c. Log c is a constant here. That implies here 1 by v square into dv minus 3 into 1 by v into dv equal to log 1 by integration of 1 by x is equal to log x plus log c. Here since we have one formula, integration of f dash x by f of x into dx is equal to log of f of x. Here integration of 1 by v square, integration of 1 by v square is equal to v power minus 2 means v h to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 by, that means we can write minus 1 by v minus 3 log v equal to log, here log x c. Here log x c means log a plus log b is equal to log ab, or if we need log a plus log b equal to log a plus log b equal to, we can write log a. According to this formula we have log x plus log c is equal to log xc. Now minus here we have our assumption is y is equal to vx by y. Our assumption is here y is equal to vx. That implies we can write here v equal to y by x. According to this, we can apply here 1 by v means x by y minus log v cube means y by x whole cube equal to log xc. That implies minus x by y, minus into minus plus log y cube by x cube equal to log xc. Now this minus xy brings from LHS to RHS, this log x brings from RHS to LHS. That means we can apply log of y cube by x cube minus log xc equal to x by y. That implies log a minus b means log a by b. That means y cube by x cube into xc, that is equal to x by y. That implies log of y cube by s to the power of 4c equal to x by y. That implies we can write y equal to x by log of y cube by s to the power of 4 into c. This is the solution of the given homogeneous differential equation. Thank you.